Morning shift. Bin A01 says 100. The picker counts 92. The order is at risk. That is why cycle count exists. Like a quick health check, it catches trouble early. Nobody wants to stop the whole warehouse for one bad bin. Cycle count is the calmer answer: check the risky stock, fix the truth, and keep work moving. The supervisor does not need drama. The WMS creates a task, the counter checks the real bin, the system compares the numbers, and the team fixes the reason. Because one wrong number travels through people. The picker waits. Customer service explains the delay. Purchasing reacts. Finance asks why stock and reality disagree. Back to item A. The picker is not the problem. The bin is telling the truth. The real question is, what happened before this moment that made WMS believe 8 units were still there? This is where cycle count feels practical. The team does not freeze every aisle. One person checks one location, while the rest of the shift keeps receiving, picking, and shipping. A good WMS also protects the team. It records who counted, what changed, who approved it, and why. That audit trail turns blame into learning. Smart warehouses do not count randomly. They count where people feel pain most often: fast movers, expensive items, empty bins, exceptions, and locations that keep surprising the team. This is the human lesson. An adjustment fixes today's order. A reason code prevents tomorrow's argument. Was it a wrong pick, a bad receipt, an unscanned move, or damage? Make the SOP fair to the operator. Assign the count, hide the system quantity, count the bin, approve the variance, post the reason, and fix the process. Put yourself in the supervisor's shoes. WMS says 100. The bin has 92. Do you ignore it, investigate it, or stop the entire warehouse? The calm answer is investigate it. Count high-risk stock more often. Confirm empty bins. The win is not perfect inventory. The win is catching the error before the customer feels it. Like and subscribe for practical WMS stories from the warehouse floor. Next video: NetSuite WMS bin transfer versus inventory transfer.